This might be the best looking thing we've ever made. Today, we're gonna make orange chicken.
We're gonna start with marinating the chicken. Let's go.
So, we were thinking that we can add some alcohol to this marinade, and it should give the chicken a crispier outside texture. So what alcohol are we gonna use?
You know, Dennis, I was thinking we can use Svedka, blue raspberry vodka.
Brenton, that's not even vodka.
But it's from
Get that out of my sight.
It's from Sweden.
We're using something more classy.
Oh, okay. I really like that decision, Dennis, because it's the right color, and Fireball smells fantastic.
Yeah. Add the whole bottle, baby.
Donnie! Yeah, so let's set that chicken aside. Ooh. Oh, what a sound. Let's go ahead and start making our sauce.
Give me 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then give me a hug.
No.
Yeah, we got all the interesting ingredients that you might not have unless you go to like an Asian market.
We are an Asian market.
Pretty much. Just like Mario, Brenton can't function without his hat.
Yeah. Okay, what's next? 4th cup of water. I got it.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Put it down.
Sunluck brand sesame oil.
I love sesame oil. It's so fragrant.
Okay, so I want to do 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. And then...
All black soy sauce!
No,
Oh.
we're not that crazy. It could really change the flavor profile. By itself, it's quite bitter.
Now, for the weird measurements, for some reason, isn't 8 tablespoons like exactly half a cup?
I don't know. You wanna look it up?
Ooh.
The sauce is so dark.
Now we need a zest of 1 orange and a bit of juice.
Just a dash of Chinese 5 spice while we're at it. Next is the actual like dry coating of flour, seasoning, and cornstarch. In goes a half cup of cornstarch. In goes a half cup of flour. A pinch or 2.
Bam.
The ubiquitous Chinese 5 spice.
What's in it? 5 different spices. So how are we gonna do this, you might ask? We're gonna take a piece of chicken from the bowl. We're gonna dip it in the egg wash first.
Yeah, give it a nice, like, do-si-do. Get all the excess water off.
Boom, boom. And then I hand it to Brenton and...
Well, maybe not drop it in here, but yeah.
I think the fireball's gonna come out pretty strong, I think.
Really?
Alright, we have our big pot of oil. It's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I will hand the chicken to Brenton and I will get out of the kitchen. Woo. Oh, gentle bubbles.
They take about, I think, 4 minutes a batch. 4 or 5 minutes.
Dang.
Deep frying is pretty consistent in that it just totally blasts everything pretty quickly. Alright, so the oil temperature dropped to 320, so I'm going to hold off until the next batch. Because we're doing it in cast iron, we could keep this at like 4 and it'll still like be ripping hot in the oil.
Ripping hot. Alright, they're looking nice and crispy. We stirred them up while they're in the oil so we can get each side thoroughly.
And you just want a nice golden brown, I'd say.
Yeah, they're looking nice and crispy.
Oh, you smell that?
Huh?
You smell the citrus?
Yeah, I do now.
So once the aromatics are nice and released, you can go ahead and turn the heat down and then just slowly cook down the sauce.
Is that the sugar on the bottom?
Oh yeah, gotta get that. That's the good stuff.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Orange sauce. So are we just trying to reduce it now?
Yeah, get nice and thick. Look, it's getting nice and syrupy.
Yeah.
Yeah, start throwing some chicken in there, Dan.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
All of it.
Everything!
So much chicken.
This is a very crowded pan. Look how dark our sauce is from the molasses and sugar. Can you smell that? Just...
No.
Oh right, yeah, you can't smell anything. like just a huge hit of citrus.
All right, taste test time.
Oh yeah, you ready? Let's go. We have special guest Aaron with us today.
This is our special taster.
Hey. Aaron is
Our lover.
Yes.
All right, you're gonna get a piece, and you're gonna say everything that comes to mind.
Okay, I'm ready.
Maybe
Go
not.
for it.
Yeah. Oh, good choice, Aaron.
Ooh, I heard a crunch.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's crunchy, flavorful, citrus. Taste the molasses.
Really? Yeah, you get a
Mhm.
bite of it, right?
Ooh, it's powerful. It's heavy.
That's better than
There's a lot of citrus
yeah,
in
it's
here.
probably the
Yeah.
best orange chicken I've had.
We did it! Ah, woo!
Mm.
Comment if you have a recipe suggestion for next time.
Other takeout favorites you'd like to try and see us make, or see us try and make?
How about General Tso's chicken?
That'd be easy.
We already got it. Don't bother commenting. But do like and subscribe. Alright, it's a wrap.
That's really good. That's probably my favorite thing you guys have made